Alright, so my dear friends and family, hope that things are fine and having really good time. So Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great so far. So how have you been? Please let me know. And I hope you are doing great. You are practicing English every day, every single day. You're doing great. So my dear brother, sister, so today I have come on this, actually you can say on this roof. So I want to make a video for you. So every day I make so many videos. So today's topic is super special, super natural, and we have to think about it. The topic is how can we practice alone. You don't need any kind of person, just you need courage, you need dedication, you need mindset. So if you can set a mindset, that will be enough for you. So my dear brother, sister, what I'm talking about this topic actually, why I'm talking about this topic, my dear brother and sister, you have to understand it. And I've seen lots of students, they are giving excuse, the same excuse. Brother, I don't have any kind of partner, so what can I do? What should I do? Dear brother, sister, I have learned English by myself. Actually, I didn't get any support from anyone. I've learned English by myself. So you can do everything by yourself. Just you need courage. You can practice everywhere. I know very well, if you want, you can change your life. You have a tendency, I know very well. That is a thing I try to understand you, my dear brother and sister. You have to understand it and try to focus on yourself. Don't focus on other people and practice every day. Like me, I'm practicing English by myself. I don't need any help. I don't need any kind of friends, and lots of people are giving me SMS, brother, actually how many hours do you practice every day, and how many friends do you have, and how many hours you are practicing with your friends or with your actually what can I say, with your partner. So my dear brother and sister, to be honest, I have no partner, so I practice my English by myself. I don't need any help to someone, to anyone. So I just depend on myself. So if you want to do something special for your life, you have to depend on yourself. Don't depend on other people. Just depend on yourself. Take your own responsibility. Thanks for watching. I have to go now. So see you some other time. All the best.